Welcome back to the channel, guys. I have in my hands the Dewalt D36000, the first tile saw since 2006 that Dewalt has come out with. They had the D24000 that was a very successful tile saw, the most popular tile saw on the market. Now they finally, in 2020, came out with a large capacity tile saw. Again, D36000, this can cut up to 37 inches. The biggest capacity tile saw on the market, hands down, again up to 37 inches. What we're gonna do is simple. Unbox the saw, assemble the saw, and make one cut. Keep in mind, guys, this is video one of a series. I will do 3 videos, 3 review videos on this new amazing saw. And I'm telling you right now, this is going to be the king of tile saws for large format tile. Here we go. So upon opening this, it looks like it is the exact same stand for the D24000. So here's the whole tray package. Obviously it is massive. Nice rubber, nice plug. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. There's the motor, extension tray, and table. It's pretty good. Extension table. Well, here's the motor. Definitely heavy. All right, guys, so here's the sliding table and tray. Heavy, beefy. Seems like it's fantastic quality as usual with Dewalt. Here's the pump. Again, fantastic quality. It looks like this pump will push out a lot of water to keep that blade cool. Here's your frame, rail system. Again, looks like good quality aluminum. Sturdy. Let's install. Mounting the motor. That easy. Right here you got the tool storage, which is placed a lot more securely than the D24000. Now this pump here is very heavy, much more heavy than your typical tile saw, which tells me that it sprays a lot more water. Here's the cord to the D36000. It feels very thick, heavy, and heavy duty. Again, good quality, guys. And of course, a GFI on the cord. And heavy duty rollers. So after installing this tray here, it seems like it's a bit longer, as well as a handle there. The bearings run real smooth. I mean, there's not much slop in the tray here. Unlike the Dewalt D24000, you have a cart stop right here with 2 options. Option number 1, it stops at 18 inches. Option number 2, turn that dial all the way to the left. You have a capacity of 37 inches of cutting. Installing the water containment tray. Fits in very easily. Also installing the large format extension table. This saw is massive though. Keep in mind, guys, about 42 inches. By 63. Your standard Dewalt XP4 blade. Installing the blade, a fantastic thumb screw. The first startup of the D36000. Go for it. I've got to say, this saw is just as quiet as the D24000, but it has a more powerful motor. Let's see how well the pump works. Time to make a cut. Here we have a 35.5-inch tile with plenty of room if you have a 36 or 37-inch tile. So again, this is one of the first tile saws that will compete with a bridge wet saw. High capacity. Here we go, let's make a cut. All right, hit it, brother. And there you have it, folks. 36-inch tile. This saw can cut up to 37 inches. The Dewalt D36000. More to come. I have 2 more videos of reviewing, cutting different types of material. Let's check the accuracy.
Inch and 15/16. Inch and 15/16.
Dead on, out of the box, no adjusting. Again, Dewalt D36000. This is the king of the hill at the moment, and I have a feeling it will be the king of the hill for a long time.
Freaking cut like butter, dude. I had to like pull the tray back. I just wanted to like suck the tile through. Am I talking really loud?
No, we're excited. It's fun.
It was weird, dude. I like start the cut and I'm like literally walking forward with the tray.
It's so giant. Well, there it is, guys. Thank you for watching this review. If you really want to help my channel, please hit that thumbs up button down there. Subscribe, of course, bell notification, and stay tuned to part 2, which will be cutting various materials, ceramic, stone, and larger porcelain tiles. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.